Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Grand Cherokee tire pressure monitoring system. This process is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and safety. Often, the light comes on after a tire rotation or pressure adjustment. We'll go through the exact steps to turn off that warning light, ensuring your system accurately monitors your tire pressure. It's a straightforward procedure that you can easily perform yourself, saving you time and a trip to the service center. Before attempting a reset, the very first step is to ensure all 5 tires, including your spare, are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this specific number, usually around 33 psi, on a sticker located inside your driver's side door jamb. Using a reliable tire gauge, adjust each tire to the precise pressure. This foundational step is critical, as an underinflated tire will prevent the system from resetting correctly. Once your tires are correctly inflated, the next step involves a specific driving cycle. You'll need to drive your Jeep Grand Cherokee at a speed exceeding 15 miles per hour for a continuous period of at least 10 minutes. This allows the tire pressure monitoring system sensors to relearn and recalibrate with the new pressure readings. It's a passive reset, meaning the system will update itself as you drive, without any manual button presses. After completing the driving cycle, the tire pressure warning light should extinguish itself. If it remains on, double-check all tire pressures and repeat the driving procedure. Remember, consistent tire maintenance is key to preventing future warnings. Always ensure your tires are at their optimal pressure, typically around 33 psi, for best fuel efficiency and tire longevity. If the light still persists, a professional diagnostic might be necessary to identify any sensor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.